development of the World of Drones Congress came from the fact that from a very senior level within our company, we actually saw an emerging need to address a developing drone economy, and we couldn't see any other similar events right across the Asia Pacific region. And we knew we were fortunate to have world leaders and experts in Brisbane and in our city, so it seemed like an opportunity that should be taken up to actually fill that space and develop a new event that addressed that gap.
Well, the best things in life always tend to have an element of serendipity about them, and this World of Drones Congress was one of those moments in life. I was lucky enough to cross paths with Harvey Lister at a lunch get-together, and he and I both talked about drones in the preamble, and then during the actual lunch he said, well, you know, we should create these things. We were just so aligned with this idea that you can actually create things rather than waiting for industry to come to you with things. And this is where I suppose there's that entrepreneurial spirit that AG Ogden and BCEC have around how they operate, that you don't just wait for people to cross your path, you go out there and you create the opportunities. That for me is a real startup spirit which has been reflected across Queensland lately through the Advanced Queensland programme and the Go Queensland Courier Mail outreach programme they did as well. And so being able to actually cultivate something rather than just wait for something, and that's where I found a real alignment with the BCEC and AG Ogden team.
From the beginning, major objectives of the event were to create a forum for high-level discussion on industry applications, identify trade and investment opportunities for Queensland, and to facilitate discussion about regulation and legislation challenges. Though an inaugural conference, World of Drones delivered on each objective straight out of the box. Organised from liftoff to completion in just 12 months, World of Drones was attended by over 630 delegates from 9 countries. It directly facilitated trade and put Queensland on the map as an important player in this developing global industry. International training deals were actually announced during the Congress itself. The Congress also played host to the very first National Drone Safety Forum, which is likely to become a leading platform contributing to the development of legislation surrounding drone use and safety into the future. The Queensland Government's statewide drone strategy was launched at the World of Drones Congress. This is the very first time in Australia, and one of the first in the world, that a government has released a whole-of-government strategy addressing the business opportunities and regulatory challenges presented by drones.